what's good, YouTube? So, y'all probably ask me, oh, Terry, how do you create unlimited Mistral videos? You go to incognito tab, right? You go to right here. So, I'm gonna show you guys how to create unlimited Mistral accounts. So, you go to temp mail. So, whatever temp mail, let's go to Gmail Nader. So, Gmail Nader is what I like to use. So, we're gonna go to Google. We're gonna go to Gmail Nader. And we're gonna go Gmail Nader. Gmail Nader. Alright, so we're gonna go to Gmail Nader. Alright, so what I like to do is I like to use this right. So we're gonna use go. Let's go to this tool. So we're gonna click that.
In today's dissected, we're gonna go through.
We're gonna basically skip this ad. Click close, cause we don't wanna engage with this ad. Fuck this ad, bro. So we'll skip that.
In today's dissected, we're gonna go through.
Get the fuck off my screen, bro. Fucking faggot. Sorry, YouTube, for the language. Fuck on my screen, bro. That weird ass ad shit, bro. I just go to here. Alright, let's go to this. Bulk Gmail Nader. Yeah, it's just weird. Alright, let's just go up. So, we're gonna click go. So, we probably gotta wait for this whole ad to finish. So, yeah, ad is done. Ad is removed. So, yeah, ad is removed. So, we'll just go back. We'll just go to Gmail Nader. We're gonna click go. Alright, so we could copy this, right? So we'll copy this email. We'll paste this here. And what's now gonna ask us is for we'll just put Tyrese. We'll put Tyrese. Alright, so what's gonna now ask us is for a password. So we're gonna password generator. And I follow YouTube's terms and services. I don't whatever's prohibited, it's all for your use only. So we'll copy this right here. We're gonna copy this. We're gonna basically now paste this right here. Hopefully it lets us, allow us. Alright, so we're gonna sign up right here. You sign up for free. And it's gonna sign us up. Alright, so it's gonna send a code over to the email. So yeah, let's just exit out this ad stuff. So we just let this ad just play right here and then we can close it. So I do follow guidelines and I have permission to do these streams. So yeah, so to help y'all grow more. So yeah, so what we're now gonna do is basically send over an email to this thing. So we just let it load real quick. So did not receive an email. So we just click did not receive an email, and we just click resend. It's gonna say code sent. So we just wait for the code to come through, and it should be coming through just in a bit. But yeah, so it should come through just in a bit. But if it don't come through, we can always change email. So it still didn't come through. All right, so what we're gonna smoothly do is go through and change the email. So we're gonna generate new. We're gonna use this Gmail, right? So this should work. Now this should work. So change account. Alright, let's go back. Let's go to here. I'll paste this here. We'll click continue. Alright, we'll click Chase. Reese. We'll go back to this password. We'll just paste this here. It's to sign us up. Sign up. There we go. Alright, so it's to send us over a code. So the code should be coming in just in a tiny bit to this Gmail account. So it's gmail.com. So you see that the code just came in. So we have the code. We just copy this code. We'll paste it right here. All right, so you guys can see that email says we verified. So we're in. So all you just do is click refresh. And you're going to basically refresh it. And you should be in. So like I said, this is how you get unlimited Mistral accounts. So you guys ask me, Terry, so how do you create unlimited Mistral accounts? You basically rest and repeat this method. So we'll just go back. Now log in, and we'll just log into it. So you see that we're in. So we can log out right here. So you see create new. So what I'm gonna do is create. I'm gonna say Chase for organization name. So yeah, we could click. We agreed all because we agreed to all customer services. Like I follow YouTube's guidelines, so we just do that. All right. So now what we'll basically do we're an admin. So you guys can see that we're actually now an admin. You can see that organization ID. All right. So what I'm not gonna do is go to Mistral AI chat. So I'm going to go to Mistral AI chat. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to now basically go over to this AI chat. So instead of you having to pay for it, if you don't have no money to it, like I said, this method is for you. If you're broke and you can't afford it, this method is for you. So, yeah. I'm sorry if y'all get the fence or, oh, bro, you call me broke and I don't got, it's cool to be, we all start out broke. Even I started out broke. But now I'm in a lane where I'm becoming rich, and I got the ways to really grow now. So I was down before, but now I'm coming back up. So you do be like that, and like I told y'all, for a while in life, you no longer stay like that. things could change. Once you start learning shit, things change. So yeah. Alright, let's go to this right here. So I'm gonna log into this and you see that Tase right here. So we got a fresh account. We could basically want to agree to this terms of services or accept. So if we go to new chat right here, new chat, you can see that we can use it. So alright, so if you like this method though, and I'm gonna show you guys that we can actually use. So my trial just ran out, so I'm gonna try to you guys should see that it's gonna make me want to pay for it. So it's gonna make me want to upgrade it. So if your limit ran out, I got y'all's cool. So what we basically do is go up to this right here. So I'm gonna copy and paste this right here. And I'm gonna basically paste this again and show you guys. And I'm gonna go over to here. So this Mistral, this is the one for Mistral. I'm gonna paste it so where I'm gonna say so. Make sure everything's good. Please add this to the TXT. So we would just now ask it like what we want to add to the TXT. So we could use this method to generate photos. You could generate videos. So this method's unlimited, by the way. So if you like this method, I said be sure to drop a like button if you could. And I'm not asking for too much more. So that's all I want y'all to do. So yeah. So drop a like button if you could. So I'm gonna go to here. I'm gonna enter this right here. So what it's gonna basically now do is read through this right here. So it's gonna read through everything we just chatted. So it's gonna read through everything right here. So do this chat right here. So it's gonna read through it. And what's gonna basically do is say thinking. So you see right here, it's gonna get this content pillars made, and we go to rest of this method. So when it runs out, we go to the Gmail, use the Gmail, put the code in, use the password generator. So if you like this method, like I said, be sure to drop a like and go in and make sure that you do drop a like. And if you get that sub, I don't really do YouTube for sub. I don't really care about the subscribers because I do have the ways to grow. I mean, I do these streams for y'all. I do these videos for y'all. So yeah, so like I said, the Mistral method's here. It's the unlimited way how to make unlimited Mistral accounts, so where you don't have to pay for it. So I'm actually go through and show you guys that if we go to upgrade right here, so we go to upgrade right here, so we go to upgrade, so you guys can see if we upgrade it, it's gonna make us want to pay $14.99, $24.99 a yearly right here. So yearly is about $19, $19.99, $11.99. So we're not paying this at all. I got y'all free with it with the method. So enjoy it. I follow YouTube terms services. I'm not against guidelines. Just for the ones who can afford it. And like I said, thank you YouTube for even allowing me to do these streams. And let me make sure the stream is still up. So let's make sure the stream is still up. Let's make sure the stream is still up. Appreciate you, YouTube. Yeah, they left the stream up. They ain't flagged it for sure. See, YouTube fuck me, bro. They don't flag my shit no more. So yo, bro, do a video on how to get crack permit. No, that's going too far, bro. All right, so yeah, so you see right here, so we have this complete viral content. So yeah, so what we're gonna do is edit this right here. So yeah, so guys, we really just got everything for free right here. So this is how you do it. So like I said, this works, and this is for us to go viral. We can use get as many scripts, get as many titles. We can use for ideation. We can use it until our channel blow up. So like I said, if you like this method, be sure to drop a like button. You don't even hit the sub, bro. Just get the fuck up out there and join the method. I'm out. So that's all we got. So you guys can see that expanding. It's gonna do its thing. But I'm out. That's all I got for y'all.